Hi, my name is Dwayne Hansen from CVTC's EMS program. I am the program director here at CVTC. Today we're going to be talking about how to treat a cut, basic laceration, any bleeding that we might come across with a patient. What we're going to be initially looking at is just getting pressure on to the cut itself to try to stop the bleeding. That's the main goal that we have. Obviously in pre-hospital, which is what we teach, we focus on stopping the bleeding first. In your homes, I guess a lot of times you would also add the washing process to try to keep any infection from building. Basic soap and water is great for that if you have any antiseptic materials as well, to try to clean that cut prior to actually putting the gauze or bandage on. What I'm going to have Jared do today is go ahead and we're just going to simulate a cut on my forearm. He's just going to start with some initial gauze at this point, and he's just going to start by applying pressure, which is trying to stop that bleed at this point. If he is not able to stop the bleed with just initial pressure, he can go ahead and stack more gauze on and provide a little more pressure. Once he's able to kind of control that bleed, what he's going to do is go ahead and just simply wrap this up with either some type of pressure dressing. In this case, we have these nice cling wraps, and he's just going to simply wrap this around my arm, which provides and holds that pressure to continue to control that bleed. You know, it's something you could have in a first aid kit out in the woods or in your homes. And he's just going to go ahead and wrap this up, and he'll end up securing it at the very end just with a little tie knot. Okay, and that also adds some additional pressure. If it continues to bleed, he can continue to add more gauze at that point. Try to elevate it above the heart to slow some of that bleeding down. If you want to find out more about these skills and other skills like this that we teach in our program, check out cvtc.edu and our EMS programs.